Hey guys, alright, so today I want to talk about Pascal's triangle. Now, let's turn the card over. This is Pascal's triangle. And so basically, what you start with is a 1 on top and then a 1 on each side. And how you create Pascal's triangle is you add the two numbers and put what it equals down below. So 1 plus 1 is 2. And you make sure that 1s are on both sides on each end. So here I have 2 plus 1 is 3. Here 2 plus 1 is 3. And I have 2 1s on each side. Okay, next line, the 3 plus 1 is 4. The 3 plus 3 is 6. The 3 plus 1 is 4. And I have 1s on each side. So this can go on forever and ever. Okay, so our first row is 0. Then we have row 1, then we have row 2. And if you look at these numbers right here, that's actually the row number. Okay? This is row 2. This is row 3. This is row 4. Okay? So we have some rules when we do binomial expansions. And when you see a plus b raised to the nth power, you know that you can use Pascal's triangle. And it's a shortcut. Okay? We can shortcut it all the way to the answer. So we have very specific steps that we have to follow. So an example would be x plus y to the third power. Okay? So I would like you to identify your a, b, and what your n is. So a is x, b is y, n is 3. Okay? Our first rule says, your answer, there are n plus terms, okay? So my answer has n, which is 3, plus 1 terms. So if that says 3, I know my answer has 4 different terms, okay? The second step is the coefficients are the numbers from the nth row, okay? So if I flip this over and I go to the third row, I see a 1, a 3, and a 1. Okay? My next step is to take a, which is x, and it starts with n, and it decreases by 1. So x cubed, x squared, x to the first, x to the 0 power. Okay? Then you're going to take b, which is y, and b starts with 0, and it increases. So they go opposite ways. Okay? And now all we have to do is simplify. Okay? Anything raised to the 0 power is 1. So my first term is x cubed. Here, my next term is 3x squared y. Here, I have 3xy squared. Here, x to the 0 is just 1. So I'm left with y cubed. Okay, so until you go through a lot of them, you are going to have to use the steps one by one to get all of these answers before you can simplify. But it's much better than multiplying. You know, what if you had the x plus 3 raised to the 15th power? Okay, so it's much easier to use Pascal's. Thanks, guys.